your employees are paid different wages, and keeping track of who makes what can be confusing if you're doing it manually with a third-party system or by memory. With OnTheClock, assigning pay rates takes 10 seconds or less. No, for real. I'm Herb, and in this episode of OnTheClock's Tips and Tricks video series, we'll walk you through just how easy it is to set an employee's pay rate, demonstrating how to set the pay rates up within each employee's profile, and showing you how these rates are automatically calculated and totaled up each pay period right inside each employee's time card. So, log into your OnTheClock account and follow along as we demonstrate how to set accurate pay rates and instantly view payroll subtotals, making your payroll process faster and more accurate than ever. Are you ready? Let's get started.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to assign pay rates to your employees inside of their profile on the web browser. To do this, go ahead and log into your account and navigate to Employees and select the employee. Inside of the employee profile, you'll notice you have these tabs up here. Go ahead and select the Pay Rate tab and then enter in the pay rate. Once you've entered in that employee's pay rate, go ahead and press Save Settings. Now that my employee has been saved, you can navigate to the time cards. And inside of the time cards, I can go ahead and check off Show Payroll. And you'll notice that I have a pay subtotal at the bottom. And I can view the number of hours with that pay rate option right there, already automatically calculated for me. That's it. If you have any other questions on how to assign a pay rate and view the total inside of your OnTheClock account, feel free to live chat with us or send an email to support@ontheclock.com.